In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Just like this one I've added to my TikTok bio. As you can see, clicking on the link, it is going to direct me to YouTube. So I'm going to simply show you how to actually do this on your TikTok account. So right here is the home page of my TikTok app. The first step you need to take in order to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio is to go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen like this. So right here is your TikTok bio. The next step you need to take is to click on edit. You can see edit right here on your TikTok profile. So right here, you're going to see where it says links. So you need to go ahead and click on that. And when you click on that, you're going to see the option of websites. So you just need to go ahead and click on websites and paste that link right here. So let's say this link is not here. You just need to go ahead and paste the link. You must have copied the link somewhere. So let me just simply go ahead and copy one of my videos link. So copying this link like this, I'm going to paste the link right here. So after pasting the link, looking right here at the top right corner, you can see the option of save. So you need to go ahead and click on save like this in order to save the link. So once you do that, you've been able to save the link to your TikTok bio. So right here, you can see that the link is now showing here. So you can click on it and it is going to direct you to the website where you want it to direct you to. So this is how simple it is to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hope you find this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this. Tell me in the comment section the next video you would love to see.